We often think success comes from one big breakthrough, one giant leap that changes everything. But James Clear, in his best selling book Atomic Habits, explains something very different. Real change happens through small, consistent steps. Habits that seem tiny today, when repeated over time, can transform your entire life. That's why he calls them atomic. Like atoms, they're small on their own, but together they carry enormous power. Think about it this way: if you can get just 1% better every single day, you won't just improve by 30 or 40% in a year, you will be 37 times better. That's the magic of compound growth, and habits work exactly the same way. Goals versus systems. One of the first lessons in the book is about the difference between goals and systems. Most of us set goals. I want to lose weight, I want to write a book, I want to get rich. But here's the truth: winners and losers often have the same goals. The difference isn't in the goals, it's in the systems. A system is the daily routine that moves you closer to the life you want. If you only focus on the end goal, you'll feel frustrated and stuck. But if you focus on the system, the process, the daily habit, the success starts to take care of itself. For example, instead of saying, I want to read 20 books this year, build a system like, I'll read 10 pages before bed every night. Small steps repeated consistently will get you to the goal without pressure. Identity-based habits. Another powerful idea in Atomic Habits is identity. Most of us try to change habits by focusing on outcomes. We say, I want to run a marathon or I want to quit smoking. But real change happens when you focus on your identity, not just the result. Instead of saying, I want to run a marathon, say, I'm a runner. Instead of saying, I want to quit smoking, say, I'm not a smoker. When you see yourself differently, your actions naturally follow. Every time you act in line with your new identity, like going for a run or saying no to a cigarette, you are casting a vote for the kind of person you want to become. The 4 laws of behavior change. James Clear makes habit building simple with 4 practical laws. Make it obvious. If you want to drink more water, keep a bottle on your desk. If you want to eat healthier, place fruits where you can see them. Your brain responds to cues in your environment. Make it attractive. Connect the habit with something you enjoy. For example, only listen to your favorite music when you exercise. That way, the habit feels like fun, not a chore. Make it easy. Don't rely on motivation. Design your habits to be simple. If you want to floss, start with 1 tooth. If you want to write, commit to just 2 minutes a day. Starting small makes it easier to repeat. Make it satisfying. Our brains love rewards. If a habit feels good, you'll keep doing it. You can use a habit tracker or calendar and mark every day you stick to the habit. Seeing progress becomes its own reward. These 4 steps create a cycle that makes good habits stick. Environment matters more than motivation. One of the most eye-opening lessons in Atomic Habits is that environment shapes behavior more than willpower. You don't need to be more disciplined. You need to create surroundings that make good habits easy and bad ones hard. If your kitchen is full of chips and soda, you'll eat them. But if your fridge is full of fruits and vegetables, you'll naturally choose healthier food. If you keep your phone beside your bed, you'll scroll late at night, but if you leave it in another room, you'll sleep better. We often blame ourselves for lacking willpower, but in reality, our environment sets us up for success or failure. Breaking bad habits. Of course, building good habits is only half the battle. We also need to break the bad ones. James Clear suggests flipping the 4 laws in reverse. Make the bad habit invisible. Hide the junk food. Delete the distracting apps. Make it unattractive. Remind yourself of the negatives, like how smoking damages your lungs. Make it difficult. Add steps between you and the bad habit. For example, keep snacks in the top shelf where it's hard to reach. Make it unsatisfying. Use accountability. Tell a friend about your goals or set a penalty for failure. By making bad habits harder and less rewarding, you slowly let them fade away. The Goldilocks rule. Now, here's something important. Habits must be challenging enough to keep you engaged but not so difficult that they overwhelm you. This is called the Goldilocks rule. If something is too easy, you'll get bored. If it's too hard, you'll give up. The key is to find the sweet spot, a task that's just the right level of difficulty. For example, if you are used to running 1 kilometer, push yourself to 1.5 kilometers, not 10 kilometers. Small steady progress keeps you motivated. Tracking your habits. What gets measured gets improved. Keeping track of habits is one of the simplest ways to stay consistent. Use a notebook, an app, or a wall calendar. Every day you stick to a habit, mark it down. Over time, you'll see a chain of success and you won't want to break it. This visual progress gives you both motivation and accountability. Success is a lifestyle. In the end, Atomic Habits teaches us a very simple but life-changing truth. Success is not about setting goals or dreaming big. Success is about building the right identity, creating smart systems, and living through consistent habits every single day. You don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. And when your systems are built on small positive habits, success becomes a natural byproduct of who you are. That's the essence of Atomic Habits. It's not about doing more, working harder, or waiting for motivation. It's about small changes repeated daily that compound into extraordinary results.